get around all this stuff.
Yes, beautiful.
Yeah, you gotta walk away. Nope. You get walk in front of Bobo, you bet.
You walk the Renaissance too.
Yeah, it's Renaissance. It's like backside of Huntington now.
They just want to limit it. That's it.
That's bullshit.
Lady right behind
Oh, y'all have a great day.
Sorry.
Financial District Station.
I'm half-assed at that shit. You done fucked this all up. Yeah.
I'm not her.
I am. I'm holding it so. Yes.
Look, you're not very
The next station is Milliner Center.
Yeah, first I got these.
Make sure you
Shoot
can
me.
hide
That's
here.
a nice guy. Don't tell me nobody.
That's fine. I'll hold your husband's ass. That's alright.
Why do all sharks look black in there? Oh my god. Doesn't fit through the
Beautiful view.
Well, we don't want to go right across here. If you want to get off here and go to the river.
You
wanna do that?
now. We're going to the casino.
Okay, no, I can see it. That's fine.
This is the Milliner Center Station.
Oh, look how cool.
What? Alright, where are we at? Yeah, 1, 2, 3 more.
Beautiful.
The next station is Renaissance Center. This is the Renaissance Center Station.
What's the difference between the two Blue Cross buildings?
What?
What's the difference between the two Blue Cross buildings?
No idea. Something inside, I'm sure. No idea.
Something is different. Yeah, it's two buildings. Good job.
Really? This is how you try to go right now.
The next station is Bricktown.
What? Bricktown's cool.
I know, I see all these brick buildings.
That's where, which Morgana is.
Well, my chick, you ever to that studio? Isn't that the one that the
3 minutes, 4 minutes.
Sweetwater.
Good.
Sweetwater's like right around here.
I know where I am. Where my St. Andrews is. That's the other section I know. And then Jacoby's, right? And then Jacoby's.
Yes.
Yeah.
Breakdown. Next station,
This is
breakdown.
the Bricktown Station.
But now it's closed. Look.
Oh, yeah.
Where's my
Let's go.
Not there's
So? During the day, it's fine.
I am afraid to cook. It's fun. It's my birthday.
Let's go. You wanna do this?
Yeah, I'm worried about it. Let me look.
Sure.
Sit back.
Got it?
The next station is Greektown.
That's what we're getting on.
Okay, he was actually 2 hours ago, so we're fine. It's not bad.
Yes, this is breakdown. careful.
Bring it up here, leave it up.
Okay.